Peli Peli is located at 110 Vintage Park on Luetta and 249. The atmosphere that we're trying to create is upscale but casual atmosphere. A fine dining setting, but a little more relaxed. The restaurant has won a ton of awards. The ones we're most proud of are Most Romantic numerous times, Best Atmosphere. This place is awesome when it comes to service. And the food is great, the food is delicious.
I've combined South African food with American food to create South African fusion. And we are the only South African fusion restaurant in the United States. It's like any other food, steak, chicken, and seafood, but what we do is we really twist it up a little bit. And I put my own little twist on it. So growing up for me in South Africa was a culinary experience.
We actually have 3 covered patios, which is really nice. So throughout summer and winter, it's really nice out there. We have a private dining room that'll fit up to 40 people. It has a projector screen so people can do presentations in there or just come in for a special occasion.
Wees skillet in Afrikaans or in Dutch would be wees anders. That means be different.